Good morning, fam. On today's episode of Enemigos, we're gonna be teaching Miss Red over here how to ride a motorcycle. However, not just any motorcycle. We're gonna be teaching her in the GSXR1000 or I know it's crazy. I know, oh my god, so many things can happen. But she wanted to learn on this bike specifically. So I told her, hey, this bike is really heavy. It's not going to be easy, but she still wants to try. So we're going to give it a shot. Miss Red?
I'm happy because it's going to be my first lesson. But I'm a little bit nervous because I know the bike is heavy. But I think I can do it. So let's go.
I know this sounds really crazy, but guys, today we're gonna find out if she can actually learn how to ride a motorcycle. And if she can, that means that anybody can do it. Or number two, that means that I'm a really good teacher. We'll find out. Well, I hope she doesn't drop the bike, because that's gonna be like $15,000 right there. Just so really quick, she's gonna go change, go put some gears, and then we're gonna come back out, and then we're gonna start going over the procedure, what we're gonna do. Oh no.
Yeah, I think this thing is heavy.
It's heavy or big?
No, it's big.
Yeah?
It's okay.
It's something. I actually myself learned how to ride a motorcycle in a GSXR Ninja. It was a 600, it wasn't the 636 because it was a 2007. And I thought it was a great bike. Miss Red, if you learn how to ride on that bike back there, props to you because I didn't even do that. Ready? Alright, let's pull this thing out. And pretty much going to be telling her how to use just the clutch to take off. Alright, so first things first, you're going to get on it. So go ahead, get on the bike. Get a feel for it pretty much. Look at that. You can tell this bike is really big, huh? Okay, move it around a little bit. Move it around.
Like that?
Yeah, like move it around. See how it feels. So this is what I was telling you about. This bike is heavy. It's heavy. Damn. So you gotta be able to. Okay, walk a little forward. Walk.
Ahora tenés que estar listo para agarrarme igual.
Okay, straighten it out.
Okay, mejor.
Okay, you're good, right? Okay. So now you know it's actually very heavy. So you gotta be very, very careful. Right? Okay, she's getting a little feel for it. Alright, now all we're going to be using today is this piece over here. It's called the clutch. This little handle right here is called the clutch. So the motorcycle, if you hold this over here, the motorcycle is not going to move. All this right here, the motorcycle won't move. Once you get to like right here, if you let it go slowly, the bike is going to start going. Okay, so you're gonna practice holding this in, and then don't let it go all the way. You don't have to. Just kind of like let it go little by little, and just hold it, bring it back, hold it. If you hold it, the bike is gonna slow down. You're gonna use your feet the whole time, so that you can stop and be stabilized. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So all we're gonna be using is this. You don't have to worry about anything over here. Nothing. Literally, don't worry about nothing. Just this. This is going to get the motorcycle moving, okay? Because we're going to be going really slow. And what we're going to practice is getting from there to here. We're just trying to get like about a foot away. So all we're going to learn right now is how to get the bike moving a couple feet away from you with your feet down and just going with this. So all the bikes turn on the same. So we're just going to turn this on. You don't even have to worry about how to turn it on. I don't care if you don't even know how to turn it on. What I care about is you moving the bike, because I don't want to teach you too much. Okay, so we're going to turn on the bike. Right now it's on neutral. Don't worry about it. I'm going to put it on first gear, and you're going to see how it's going to start moving. Don't get scared. Okay, little by little, let it go. Little by little, let it go. You see how the bike is moving? Okay, stop it. There it is. It's super simple. Yay! We got through phase number 1. Okay, it's very simple. Teach this to your girlfriend, your wife. Little by little, they're gonna start moving. Okay, so go. go. Look at her feet. Oh! Why would you let it go? I told her, do not touch that right there and press it down. And she did it.
Oops.
That could have been a wheelie. Was that scary? So now you know, do not touch this down or anything. Don't ever move the steering wheel. You're gonna keep it straight. If you do this, it's gonna fall on you. She did the kickstand by herself already. She got on the bike already. We did take it up in the straight line a couple times already. She did good. She's gonna start it by herself already. Start it up. Always hold it. If you get scared, you're gonna hold it. So she knows if you get scared, you hold that. Make sure you remember that at all times. Okay. All right, stop. Good. All right, keep going. Straighten out a little bit. Doing the baby walk all by herself. Go faster. Good. Practice this. Slow down. Okay, go faster. Always keep it straight. Keep your legs straight. Keep them strong. Don't let it tilt to the side. Don't let that happen. I don't know what the. Hold it. What the? What are you holding it like that? She's like holding it all the way over here by the turn off button. What in the heck are you doing? Does that help you? If it helps you, I guess, for now that you're learning. How do you feel?
Tired already.
Tired? Okay. We're gonna have to learn how to use the front brake now. Okay? So the front brake is very simple. Can you hold it like this with the finger? Yep, that's it.
One finger?
One finger only. You think you could do that?
Like this?
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna practice stopping with this and that. You hold that one and you press this and you'll stop fast. You got me? Yep. This is phase number 2, starting to use the front brake little by little. Go, 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 go. More, faster, faster. Faster. Hold the clutch, brake. Brake. Good job. Woo! Alright, she's getting it, guys. It's taking some time, but she's never ridden a bike, and being on the 1000 is fine. She's a little frustrated. Okay, so the next step is to try and not use your feet as much. You're gonna use your feet obviously when you're taking off, but once you're riding it out, you're not gonna use your feet. Like, you're gonna keep them down there, of course, but just don't help out yourself. Don't do this, no more. You're gonna leave them up like that and just ride with the bike. That's gonna cause you to try and focus more on moving already, a little faster, more balancing, and it's gonna make you focus more on your clutch and your front brake already. You're gonna rely on that. So she put leggings on because she felt like the jeans were not letting her walk. They were too tight. Now she's got leggings which have no protection. Hopefully she can walk better now. If you don't learn, you're gonna give me some hot chicken. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I've been teaching you for a while. It's hot. Alright, so she's having some trouble. She thinks that she's gonna give it some gas. It already happened to her once when we were practicing. So I taped the throttle. Now it doesn't go anywhere. So now you have no excuse. That might even be a good idea for people that are learning how to ride. Maybe tape that thing. It's a good little trick, honestly. Holy cow, this just happened right now on the freeway. Let me see that hand. Oh my God. You're good. Let go of the clutch more. Go faster. Balance yourself. No more feet. There you go. Now I'm running. Okay. Aim that way. Okay, good. Good, you got it. She's got it. Alright, so the GoPro turned off, but we're still recording her. She's got it. And she knows how to brake by herself and everything. So she's getting a little hype now because she's actually doing a good job. Oh my God. I am so tired. Yes.
I'm happy now.
You gotta use the rear brake now, because she's been using the front brake only 4 hours doing this. Oh man. Do your happy dance.
Happy dance?
Yeah, do a happy dance. Go.
You wanna jump?
Ooh, yeah. I don't know about that. Well, I don't know what that was, but gosh, that was terrible dancing. I think we're done for today. We're gonna have to continue the second phase or second stage. I don't know what you guys want to call it. Continuation tomorrow, because today you did really good. You got the bike moving. You were going pretty fast. You had your feet off the ground already. So next thing is going a little faster, using the rear brake, and then giving it some gas after that. So we can go up to like second gear, third gear. Okay. So we're almost there, but it did take us more than 4 hours, I guess. All right, guys, this is day number 2. Yesterday we did a lot of work. She did a great job. However, we want to show you guys something that happened to her leg. Let me show you guys. So show us what happened behind your leg. Holy cow. And that's not because she fell. That's because every time she's walking and crab walking or whatnot, she's hitting this right here. And I tried fixing this, but it comes back obviously. So what we're gonna do to fix that is right here in my pocket I have some socks, and we're gonna put them right here, and it stops bruising her because her bruises are extremely bad. Show us the other one. Holy, that it shows. Oh my God, yeah, that looks the size of a baseball. Every time she's baby walking the bike, crab walking, whatever you want to call it, she's hitting this. So we're gonna put some socks on it. So guys, let's continue the phase of teaching her, somebody who has no idea how to ride, nothing about motorcycles. Literally, she has zero idea, and literally gets on a 1000cc super bike, and she learns how to ride on it.
Vámonos.
Okay, let's go. Tour bike 1000cc. We're using you as a test buddy. That looks good, right? Alright, let's get to it, guys. She got her driving test coming up soon, so she's practicing. There it is. There, she got it. She's riding the 1000cc super bike, slowly but surely. Slow down! Slow down! Brake! Still scares me every time, bro. Scares me every time she takes off. I'm just kind of like, I hope nothing bad happens. So she officially rode a 1000, learned how to ride a 1000. She does the turns now. This turns right here, she probably won't be able to. But a bigger street, obviously, she's able to do the turn. So, but this right here would be too hard to do a turn. Even it would probably be hard for me too. So that's understandable. But she does the turns already. She knows how to ride the bike. She knows what the gears are. She knows what the clutch is. She knows what the brake is. She can put her legs up already. She's literally riding the bike already. Now we just need to go on faster speeds. Literally, she cannot even tell the difference between a Kawi and a Yamaha and a Honda. Nothing. But she learned how to ride though. She learned how to ride. Yeah. All right, there you guys have it. Miss Red, she learned how to ride a motorcycle in about 5 hours. I guess you could say 5 hours. Obviously, with more time, she could probably go and, you know, start driving on the street and stuff like that. Just more practice. Literally, just took more practice. But so far, she got it all good. There was no accidents, which is the main thing that we're more scared of. Accidents. There wasn't any, so that's good. Now, Ms. Red, what do you think? Was I a good teacher? What's going on? Tell me.
I think you're a good teacher, because I wasn't that scared. So now I'm happy. It took me like 2 days.
Yep.
And some bruises, but I'm okay.
Yeah, so her legs
And
are all
the bike
bruised.
is okay, so that's good.
What happened?
The bike is okay, so
Yeah, I was really stressed out the whole time, the whole process, because, you know, I'm scared of the bike, you know, something happening to it, and obviously to you, something, you know, I really didn't think you were gonna fall, honestly, because I was like, I'm gonna make sure she doesn't fall. But, you know, the chances were pretty high because it's your first time.
And the bike is really heavy, so.
Dude, the bike is extremely heavy. If you are learning how to ride, like, you can learn how to ride on one of these, but obviously a lighter bike is gonna make things easier. You'll probably learn in, like, I don't know, 3 hours, even faster, because a lighter bike is gonna be easier. So it was an actual challenge for you learning on that bike, because the turns are extremely hard. The turning on that bike is extremely hard, guys. Going at slow speeds, that's why you have to go a little faster. The faster you go, the less you have to try and balance, and that becomes easier. So sometimes going faster helps. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun making it. We still got the socks over there. Until next time, guys, stay up. Put some likes, subscribe, guys. Put some comments in there. If Miss Red did a good job, guys, put some comments over there. If you guys want Miss Red to be riding in an R1, put the comments in there. We're gonna convince her to get an R1, R1M. Sorry, that's a $30,000 bike right there. But anyways, stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the videos. Stay up. As you guys can see, we're eating some fruits with some chili. My hands are all red. But stay tuned, guys. Till next time.